Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, and a lovely, lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video. Another beautiful, 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 cool day today because it has rained yesterday and it's still so pleasant. It's a windy day, a little windy day, and a cool breeze, a cloudy day, beautiful, beautiful day. So we should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because it was really, really hot last 2 days, but suddenly it turned up very well. So we are happy to see such a beautiful, beautiful weather. We can go for a walk, we can go for cycling, and we can enjoy that because if we're not feeling hot, we would enjoy that. And we can even have, we can even enjoy a cup of tea in our lawn or on the terrace. So there are all the ways to be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for whatever we have. So we are going to start the day, beautiful day rather, another present from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I hope that you are using this present very, very wisely, very nicely, and you're sharing, you're caring, and every single day you are doing something really, really good for your family, for yourself, for your friends, for the people around you. So, because we want you to be a very, very nice human being, right? So this is our literacy class today. And in our literacy class, we, as you know, that we are doing alphabet, and we did the alphabet V yesterday, the small V. So we are going to do the capital V today, and they're almost the same shape, the same stroke, but they are just a little different in the size as we write when we write in the notebooks. When we write it down, capital V we use to start the letter, and the small v we use to use it for the words in the sentence. So they are different. So when we are going to practice them in 4 lines, you will get to know that how capital V and small v are different when it comes to write in the 4 lines, right? You remember we have practiced writing in 4 lines? Yes, in the same way, we have to practice the couple of alphabets which are remaining so that we can even get to know that how they are fall, like in how many lines they're going to fall if they are when we are writing capital letter or when we are writing the small letter. Okay, so we did V yesterday, so we are going to do V the same, right, as we did yesterday. Same stroke, 2 diagonal lines, vertical, but a little diagonal, but they meet over here like this, right? So we have done the same strokes yesterday, so you know how to do that. So we are going to start. And for that, today we will be opening up our book N to Z, this, the blue one. Yesterday we did the magenta one. So today we are going to do this blue one, right? Everybody check out your N to Z, the capital letter book. And we are going to do our exercise on page number 24. Yes, please take out your book and take out the page number 24. And page number 24 shows us a picture that starts with V. Yes, the alphabet V that starts with this alphabet, right? And what is that? A vase, right? Okay, that's a vase. And they say that vases come in many, many different shapes. The vase which I showed you yesterday was a kind of almost the same shape, but a little longer than that. But the vases came in very, very different shapes. They cannot be just like this. If something is like this, we're going to call it a vase, but it comes in very different shapes. So this is a vase which you're going to, you can make it pink, you can color it any color you want to, as you have colored the van yesterday, remember? Yes. So we are going to practice V today as we did it yesterday. So we have the small v with a C. It's the same stroke, the same shape, right? This and this, okay? The same as we did yesterday with our fingers when we did like this and like this, right? So we are going to do the same over here. First of all, with the help of our fingers, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. That is great. Okay, so see, this is we. So you are going to do we. Yes, you just trace it. Okay, that's very good. You trace it first with the help of your pencils. Yeah, okay, that's great. Okay, so I hope you have traced this. Now show me. That's good. Okay, now you are going to trace this line of V, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Trace them. Maybe like you can trace 2 lines and leave this for your homework. Okay, so with the help of your pencil, put the book properly and start tracing. Yeah, and remember, you're going to stay on the line. You're not going to go off the line, otherwise that is not going to look nice. Okay, so stay on the line and follow the dots, completing the tracing of we. Yes, we. This looks like we. Yes. Yeah, V for victory. That's why we do like this. We for victory. Okay, so you're going to do that. Okay. Yeah, you are not going to take much of time because now you are doing so well. You know how to trace, you know how to follow the lines, starting from the red dot and following the arrow. Or if there's no arrow, you know you're going to follow the dots. Okay, so remember we did vegetables yesterday. So I thought of showing you a poster, and we are just going to have a look at some of the vegetables, right? So I'm going to show you poster over here in which we're just going to watch just going to see the vegetables, right? There are fruits as well and vegetables, but we are only going to take the names of the vegetables, right? So if you look at this, the first one, if you see over here, now from here, the vegetables start. Up over here, they're all like fruits, so we will do them later. So we have V for vegetables. So we're going to do that. We have this broccoli, we have carrot, we have radish, we have spinach, we have eggplant, which we call brinjal as well. We've got onions, we've got corn, we've got cucumber, we've got cabbage, we've got potato, we've got cauliflower. So there are a couple of pictures, a couple of vegetables. They're not all the vegetables which we have and which we eat. These days we are eating a ladyfinger as well, which we call okra. So there are like in summers we have like different kind of vegetables. In summers we don't eat much cauliflower. We mostly eat it in winters, and the spinach as well, right? But yes, yeah, and carrots as well. But this is the main ingredient to cook, and potatoes are like we can find them the whole year. And yes, eggplant is also a very good vegetable, my favorite. And cucumbers, yeah, cucumbers, because in summers we have these vegetables with have most of the water in it, right? So mostly we have only those vegetables which have water inside. Water content is more, even the fruits as well, right? If we talk about watermelon, it's got a lot of water in it, water content in watermelon. That's why we call it watermelon. And even like pineapples, they are very rich in the liquid, like the juicy one. The strawberries are the summer fruit, the mangoes are the summer fruit. And you see, tomato does not fall in the vegetable. Tomato is a fruit. And lychee, yes, lychee is also the summer fruit. So mostly the fruit and vegetables we have in summers, they are water-based. So because in summers, we need most of the water, as I tell you, drink most of water, right? Because that's very important. Keep hydrating yourself. Okay, so we are going to do this exercise of, this says color the vases with the capital letter V. Okay, so capital letter V. Okay, letter V, like there are all, there's only letter V. So there are like six vases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of these 6, there are some with which have the V letter on them, right? There are some which have V letter on it. So just have a look at this picture carefully and just tell me how many V alphabets, V letters do you see on the vases? Okay, I'm also going to see. Okay, that's great. That was very easy. So I got that. How many V's do we have over here? Now have a look at this picture carefully. So you get to know that how many V's do you see over here? Yes, how many? Yeah, that's very good. 3. There are 3 V's. So you are going to just color them. The vases which has got capital V or the alphabet V on them. This one, V, and V, right? So we have 3 vases which has got alphabet V. So you're going to color that, okay? And now you can color the vase as well, this one. You can color it any of your favorite color. You can make even patterns on that. What kind of pattern do you want? So that will look more beautiful and more colorful, right? So we are only left with some of the alphabets, which we're going to complete inshallah very soon. So this was our literacy class today, and we have done the tracing of small v today. We have done capital V as well, and we have done a lot of the vocabulary as well of the vegetables. So what kind of vegetables do we eat? We have discussed about that. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay, so see you soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.